In this video, we take a look at 16 unique business machines that you can buy on AliExpress and use to start your business empire. If you want a continuation of this topic, let's get 600 likes. Links to all the machine tools in the video description. Let's get started. The automatic electric sprouting machine is designed for quick and efficient germination of various seeds. It features automatic irrigation, temperature control, timer, and a transparent lid to monitor the process. The device provides optimal conditions for plant growth and allows you to control the germination process. The sprouts grown with this machine can be sold to local restaurants to decorate dishes. You can also find other hydroponics microgreen growing systems on AliExpress. If you are crazy about design, then you better start your business in this field. Getting started in this industry is easy thanks to Kittle, the sponsor of today's video. Kittle is the most intuitive and easy-to-use design platform that helps you to create stunning designs that impress everyone. With print on demand, you can sell t-shirts, mugs, tote bags and more while focusing on what matters most, your creativity. Let me show you how easy it is. Go to Kittle at the link in the description and see a bunch of templates we can use. I want to make a Christmas t-shirt. We click Use this design and go to the editor. Let's minimize all the elements and add some text at the bottom. On the left side of the panel, let's select Elements and find Christmas stickers and complete our design. Let's change the color of the presents so they fit better into the picture. From the top, let's click the mocap button and create pictures to showcase the product. When a t-shirt with this design is ordered from us, we'll click Print, select a t-shirt and write the customer's address. After payment, Kittle will print my design on the selected t-shirt and send it to the customer. Let's do the mug design as well. I will take this design as a basis, change the lettering and increase the size of the canvas. Using Kittle AI, I will create a Christmas picture and place it on the canvas. We'll change the colors on the template. And create a mocap of this mug. Kittle makes great mocaps. And then we'll sell it and print it on demand. Let's play with the Kittle AI a little bit more. I set the image style to anime and wrote flowers. This is the beauty that Kittle AI gave me. I copied the image, pasted it again, removed the background. Let's now add some nice text and move it between the two layers. This is the result we got. Let's create a mocap for the final product. Done. These and many other designs are waiting for you on Kittle. Click the link in the description to try Kittle Print now. VEVER introduces a budget-friendly ice cream maker that can produce up to 5 gallons of ice cream or about 200 servings per hour. This model features simple touch screen controls and a one-touch quick clean feature. It is ideal for cafes, restaurants, stores, and other commercial facilities that require a high volume of ice cream. With this ice cream maker, you will be able to offer your customers a variety of ice cream flavors and textures, and you can easily adjust the production settings to achieve the desired results. The mini heat press is suitable for applying images and text to a variety of clothing and accessories. It has an ergonomic design and is easy to use. The device can be carried. It comes with a water bottle and a canvas bag for storing tools. The mini heat press is great for starting a small clothing customization business. The VEVER portable mug press allows you to transfer images and text to ceramic and metal mugs. It fits sublimation mugs with a diameter of 3.2 to 3.4 inches and a capacity of 11 to 15 ounces. It is controlled by a push-button panel. The unit is compact and easy to carry. The business of making and selling handmade greeting cards can be profitable and creative. To start a business, you will need to purchase the necessary materials, tools, and equipment. All this you can find at attractive prices on AliExpress. You also need to develop an assortment of postcards and determine the pricing policy. You can sell postcards through online stores, social networks, as well as participate in exhibitions and fairs. It is important to pay attention to the quality of products and individual approach to customers. A cutting plotter is a device that is used to cut various materials. It can cut materials such as vinyl, cardboard, paper, and others. The plotter has various features such as automatic tracking, which allows the plotter to follow a line on the material, and the function of cutting along a predetermined contour. There are a lot of applications for this plotter. I will tell you about some of them: making stickers for cars with the owner's username, stickers changing the design of bank cards, advertising, or navigation for stores. A small laser engraving machine is a piece of equipment that is used to engrave various materials such as wood, plastic, metal, and others. It works by applying a laser beam to the surface of the material, creating an image or text. There is one on AliExpress, with easy operation and a small printing area, great for people who want to create rather than understand the technicalities. There is also a machine with a larger print area, but you'll have to spend more time setting it up and testing it. Electric slicer for restaurants. It allows you to slice meat, vegetables, and fruits into uniform slices from 1 to 15 millimeters thick. The slicer has an automatic product feeder and different attachments for different types of products. With it, you can reduce the time of slicing products and increase the accuracy. A meat slicer is an equipment for cutting meat into pieces or slices. This machine is electric and automatic. All you have to do is to load the meat. It consists of loading unit, cutting thickness adjustment unit, and unloading unit. With this machine, you will be able to make minced meat for your culinary delights. The burger patty shaping machine is a useful tool for those who love to cook and want perfectly shaped burger patties. It allows you to quickly and easily prepare patties of the desired size and shape, while maintaining the juiciness of the meat. The machine has a sturdy construction and an easy-to-use interface, making it an ideal choice for any home cook. The vertical automatic sausage filling machine is a high-performance equipment designed to quickly and accurately fill sausages or other meat products. It is equipped with state-of-the-art technology to ensure high filling efficiency and accuracy. The machine also has a compact design that allows it to be easily integrated into any production line. The Marinator is a device for quick and automatic marinating of food. It has a container with an automatic rotation function and an electric pump for creating a vacuum. With an express marinade mode of 9 minutes, the Marinator allows you to prepare marinades for different types of meat, fish, and salads. Its ease of use, compact size, and reliability make it a great choice for any kitchen. It is also easy to carry and store, and the large marinade container can be stored in the refrigerator. The electric garlic peeler removes the peel using air currents, preserving the shape and texture of the garlic. It is equipped with a drying system and automatic control, allowing you to peel garlic quickly and efficiently. The machine is compact, economical, and easy to clean, and the parts in contact with the product are made of stainless steel. It also has a temperature controller and an automatic product feeder, increasing the efficiency of use. This machine is suitable for peeling garlic of any size and meets the sanitary standards of food processing facilities. This aluminum foil lunch box sealing machine is made of thickened stainless steel and has manual and automatic models to choose from. The operating temperature can be adjusted and is shown on the digital display. A variety of shapes and sizes can be selected and custom made. Check with customer service for details. This small $60 machine allows you to produce document stamps. The stamp is produced fully automatically using a light-sensitive element. A key duplicator is a device used to create exact copies of metal keys. Key duplicators come in a variety of sizes and can be simple manual models or sophisticated automated systems. They work by capturing the original key and using it to create an exact copy using a process called milling. Key duplicators are essential tools for businesses that need to quickly and accurately create copies of keys without having to manually cut each copy.